Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an image gradient transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go in home menu, then click this new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and insert your image. Go to image file and select this image and click insert. Now select this image and go to picture format, then click this remove background and click keep changes. Now you can see I make an image gradient transparent in PowerPoint. There are another way to image make gradient transparent. Firstly, go to insert menu, then click this shape drop down menu and insert a rectangle shape. Now click this shape fill option and click this picture. Now click work offline and select to insert your picture. Now measurement it. Now select this picture and go to shape format option and click this shape format drop down menu. Then click this fill and line. Now you can increase transparency opacity. Here you can see I make an image gradient transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.